Let's see how we can install FFmpeg on Windows 10 or 11. So I'm on Google and typing FFmpeg and clicking on ffmpeg.org, the official website, clicking on download. If I put my mouse on this Windows logo, I'll see two options. I'm clicking on the second one, Windows built by BTBN. And here I have to download the FFmpeg master latest Win64 GPL.zip version. They update this build time to time, so the name will be fixed. You have to download this for Windows FFmpeg master latest Win64 GPL. Okay, so I'm clicking on this and downloading on my PC. After the download is complete, I am extracting the downloaded zip file here and opening the folder. Inside the folder, I have another folder, and inside that folder, I have a FFmpeg folder which is containing bin docs and license. Inside the bin folder, I have the FFmpeg files. So here inside the zipped folder, I'm renaming the folder as FFmpeg, and then cutting this folder to my C drive to a safer place. And after pasting here, I have to open the bin folder and copy the full path of this folder by clicking here and clicking copy. Okay, so the path is copied. Now I have to go to the environment variable setting for Windows. I'm typing environment on Windows search and clicking on edit the system environment variables. And here I'm clicking on the environment variables, and inside the first variable list for the current user, I have to find a variable called path. Selecting the path and clicking on edit. Here once again clicking on new and pasting the copied path of FFmpeg and clicking on OK. So now the FFmpeg is installed on my computer. If I go to a folder where I have a video file and open command prompt on the directory and type FFmpeg, then I'll see that FFmpeg is installed and here is the version name. So let's try copying this mkv file to a mp4 file. So for that, I'll type FFmpeg, input file is input.mkv, and I'm copying the codec, and the output file is output video.mp4, and the processing is done. Here is the converted mp4 file. Thanks for watching.